Now children, see from your book page, the exercise is that fill in the blanks and you have to put the proper answer here. So first one, you see 2 bytes equal to dash bits. So here I am showing the explanation. That exercise number 1 is 2 bytes, bytes, bytes. Spelling you should remember, dash bits. So how you calculate? You know that explanation number 1, that 1 byte equal to 8 bits. Therefore 2 bytes equal to 8 into 2, so 8 2s are 16 bits. So this is the answer right here, 2 bytes equal to 16 bits. Now come to the second. Number 2 is dash bytes equal to 32 bits. So just write here dash bytes is equal to 32 bits. So the explanation is that 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. So here you just put the blank, okay? Means vice versa, like 8 bits equal to 1 byte. Therefore 1 bits is equal to 1 by 8 byte. And then how much? 32 bits is equal to 1 into 32 divided by 8. So we will divide 8 4s, means 4 8s are 32. So the answer will be 4 bits. Sorry, because it's byte, 4 byte. So answer will be that 4 bytes is equal to 32 bits. Now that third, 1 MB is equal to dash KB. It's very simple. 1 MB. So find out where is MB. MB. 1 MB is equal to 1024 KB. So write here. Then number 4. 2048 KB is equal to 2 dash. So KB, find out where is KB. KB is here and here also. So you know that 1024 KB is equal to 1 MB. Then 1, therefore 1 KB is equal to 1 by 124 MB. And 2048 KB is equal to 1 into 2048 divided by 1024 MB. So now divided. So how it will come? If you calculate, means multiple, that 1024 into 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 0 2s are 0 and 2 1s are 2. So the answer is that 2048 means the answer. So that 2048 KB is equal to 2 MB. So write here 2 MB. Like this way you will complete it in your book page. If you want to do the explanation in your classwork copy, you can do, otherwise you may mistake. So if you want to do the explanation, you can do, and after that you write down here the final answers.